from your perspective, what does Yiddish mean to each of you?
Oh, you want to go first?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
It means a brave language of survival in all kinds of manners, in all kinds of situations, and a language that was also protection and the ability to communicate with each other who people who didn't know how they'd be received in the general population. Yiddish was a protection around the world. When Jews were running from Germany, Poland, not to be killed, they went to China and spoke Yiddish. They went other places and spoke Yiddish. It was a way of being treated equal. And, you know, some people use guns and poison and killing methods to solve problems. But Yiddish was a shield and a mother's and father's protection. And
Can I make a little comment here?
I just want to say one thing before I forget it. My German neighbor across the street speaks German and is a best friend in the neighborhood. I can speak Yiddish to her. She loves it. Need I say more?
Yeah. Okay, you said what I was going to say.
You were? She loves it. She's about 20 years younger than we are, maybe more.
Yeah,
What do you
maybe
think?
more. Yeah, 25.
25.
Yeah.
Okay.
What does Yiddish mean to you?
To me, it was the way you live. It wasn't an abstract concept. You want something, you want to do something, find a Yiddish thing. As long as you're in the cocoon of the parents. Yiddish is it. We never spoke anything else in the house. As a matter of fact, my father would get very angry when we did. When I got out of the house, it kind of faded out, but I did go constantly to the workman circle schools in Chicago. And she worked in one of them for a little bit.
That's what I did my year in Chicago. I taught in the Yiddish school.
And that was the school that I went to in Chicago. There wasn't a year that I didn't go. I mean, I went all the way through the 12th grade. And unfortunately, my memory is nicht as a shame. But it was a community. The school wasn't just a school, it was a community. The parents would get together and have dinners and boil potatoes and corn. There would be 300 people coming to this little space, probably maybe a little bit bigger than this living room, to drop money on the shore so they can keep going. Because regardless of what you paid them, there wasn't never enough. Never enough. I didn't, as a kid, I didn't like it that much. In fact, I thought it was an imposition on my freedom. I'm glad I did it.
Because in a way, Yiddish brought us together.